guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for this week's CVS deals video. I would like to wish everyone well as we are ending this year today, and I pray and hope for a better upcoming year. As we all know, CVS is starting their 2 weeks ad today, and I think a way for me to still upload video every week is to do the deals depending on the available coupons. That means I will share all the deals I can find in the first week, then I will explain some of the deals that are better to do the following week because the coupons that will work for them will be coming out the next week. And later on in this video, I'll announce the winner of last week's e-gift card, and I would like to thank everyone that commented, and just know that I appreciate all your support and I hope to do more giveaway in the future because that's the only way I can give back for all the support that you all give me. Sorry for the long talk, let's get into today's video. The first deal I have here will be the Kids Act toothpaste. They on buy 2 get $5 back and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 2 of the Kids Act toothpaste priced at $4.99 each, and the 2 of them are going to total $9.98. We don't have any coupon currently for these products, but pay the $9.98 and get $5 back, making both items $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 12 get $4 back on Almay Cosmetics, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the Almay Clear Complexion Concealer priced at $11.99. That's within the 98% rule to get a $4 back. If you still have the $4 mystery offer we got last week, that CRT extended, use it on this deal. It's going to drop it down to $7.99. Pay that and get $4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back on a face product. With this Ibotta deal, it's no longer showing on the main page, but if you added it to your account, check under the list because that's the only place I can find mine. And after the $4 back rebate, it will end up making this item free. If you have a 4 off 14 Almay CRT, this is another way you can do this deal. Pick up the Almay Healthy Hue Blush priced at $14.99. Then use the $4 mystery offer we got and also the 4 off 14 Almay CRT. It's going to drop it down to $6.99. Pay that and get $4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back for buying the face product. That will end up making this product free and a $1.01 money maker. The next cosmetics deal I have is on Maybelline. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Maybelline baby lips priced at $4.99 each. These 2 items are going to total $9.98. We all received the $3 off Maybelline mystery offer today that is going to drop it down to $6.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both products $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $6 back on any L'Oreal Cosmetics, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the L'Oreal Paris Color Richie eyeshadow priced at $6.99 each. These 2 items are going to total $13.98. Today we also received a $3 L'Oreal Paris mystery offer, and I have another $3 off L'Oreal Paris CRT. These 2 CRTs are going to drop it down to $7.98. Pay that and get $6 back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. This week is another good week to pick up some General Mills cereal if you need them. That's the 8.9 to 12 ounces. Pick up 2 of the Lucky Charms cereals, and 2 of them are going to total $3.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.98. And also, Ibotta is giving back $1 for buying 2. That will end up making these 2 items $1.98 or 99 cents each. Another food deal I have in this video will be the Chips Ahoy. They are part of the buy 2 get $2 back and it's a limit of 1. And they're also on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up 2, pay the $8 and get $2 back, making both items just $6 or $3 And it's time to announce last week's giveaway winner, and the person I picked is Leslie. Thanks for your comments. Don't forget to send me an email, that way I can send you your gift card. My email will be on the screen, and also check the description box. And for the rest of everyone that commented on my video, I wish I can give more than one gift card. Thanks for all your support, because giving this gift card is a way for me to also say thank you for all the support that you guys give me. Hopefully in the future, we can do more giveaways. The next deal I have here will be the buy two get $2 bag, and the Poise Ultra Thin pads are included in this deal. They are on sale for 2 for $13. Pick up 2, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $8. If you have any feminine care CRT, use it in this deal, but I don't have any in my account. So pay the $8 without the CRT and get $2 back, making both items $6 or $3 each. The next deal I found is when you buy Jason body wash, the 16 ounces, you get $2 back. Pick up the Jason lavender body wash, priced at $8.59. Pay the $8.59, or if you have any percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal. But without the CRT, pay the $8.59 and get $2 back, making it just $6.59. The next deal I have is when you buy 3 of any soft soap liquid hand soap, the 8 ounces to 11.25 ounces, you get $3 back. Pick up 3, priced at $3.59 each. These 3 items are going to total $10.77. Go to softsoap.com and see if you can print out 50-cent coupon for each item. If you have 3 of those coupons, it's going to drop it down to $9.27. Pay that and get $3 back, making these 3 items just $6.27 or $2.09 each. The next deal I have here is when you buy 2 Garnier facial care, you get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Garnier Blackhead Eliminating Scrub. They're on sale for buy one get one 50% off. Since they are priced at $8.59, the second one is going to be $4.30. And these 2 items are going to total $12.98. Check your app, because we have a $2 Garnier digital coupon, and I also have a 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT. Both coupon and the CRT is going to drop it down to $8.89. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items just $3.89 or $1.95 each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $4 back on Bud Bees facial care or hand and body lotion, and it's a limit of 2. Pick up the Bud Bees refreshing sheet mask. It's priced at $3.19 each, and these 2 items are going to total $6.38. Check your app, because we have a $2 off 2 facial cleansing towelettes or sheet masks, which will drop it down to $4.38. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items 38 cents or 19 cents each. The next deal I have is on Nivea lotion. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Nivea body lotion, the 8.4 ounces. They are priced at $7.49 each, and the 2 of them are going to total $14.98. Check your app. We have a $1.50 off Nivea lotions coupon, and also on coupons.com you can print out 1. If you have a 3 off 12 lotion CRT, add it to this deal. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, is going to drop it down to $8.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal is on Nivea body wash, the 16.9 to 30 ounces. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the men's body wash, because these are cheaper priced. It's priced at $6.79 each, and these 2 items are going to total $13.58. Currently, we don't have any coupon for this, but this is an example of what I talked about in the beginning of this video. This will be better to do next week, because next week Sunday we have a 3 off 2 coupon in our savings set. But if you like to do it this week, picking up 2, you have to pay the $13.58 and get $5 back, making both items $8.58 or $4.29 each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $3 back on any Axe body wash or shower gel, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Axe body wash, priced at $6.49 each. These 2 items are going to total $12.98. I have a $1.50 off 2X coupon that I got from Unilever email. How to get this email is to go on their website and sign up, and they will randomly email you coupons. With the coupon, you pay $11.48 and get $3 back, making both items $8.48 or $4.24 each. The next deal I have here is buy two get $4 back, and St. Ives body wash is part of this deal. Pick up two of the St. Ives body wash priced at $5.99 each. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal. But without the CRT, pay the $11.98 and get $4 back, making both products $7.98 or $3.99 each. The next deal I have is buy two get $3 back, and the Grid Dry Spray is part of this deal, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up two of the men's Degree Dry Spray. You can pick up the women if that's what you want. And they're also on sale for buy one get one half off. That means the first one is going to be $7.79 and the second one will be $3.90. And the total for these two products will be $11.69. I have two $1 off Degree Dry Spray coupon that I got from Unilever email. With these two coupons, it's going to drop it down to $9.69. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $6.69 or $3.35 each. And also check your fetch because you might have some points there. The deal I have is on Garnier Fruity shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy two get $3 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up two, pay the $8 and get $3 back, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal is on Garnier Whole Blend shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy two get $2 back, and it's a limit of 1. And they're also on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up two at $8, pay the $8, get $2 back, making both products $6 or $3 each. The next deal I have will be the spend 30 get $10 back, and this deal is a limit of 1, but I'll be sharing 5 ways to do this deal. You can mix or match however way you like, but these are the way I put them together. Hopefully it can help someone. The first way to do this deal is by picking up two of the Tide detergents, the 92 ounces. They're on sale for $14.99. These two items are going to total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule to get back the $10 for spending 30. We have a $3 digital coupon that will apply to one. And for the second item, go to P&G website and print out another coupon. These two coupons are going to drop it down to $23.98. Pay that and get $10 back, making both items $13.98 or $6.99 each. For the second option, pick up one of the Scott bar tissue, the 12 rolls. They're on sale for $10.79 each. And also pick up the Dawn E-Squeeze, the 22 ounces, on sale for $5.99. And to complete this deal, pick up the 92 ounces Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. These three products are going to total $31.77. Using the $3 off Tide digital coupon and a 75 Dawn digital coupon, is going to drop it down to $28.02. Pay that and get $10 back, making all three items $18.02 or $6.01 each. The third option is to pick up the Tide Pod on sale for $13.49, and also add the Scott bar tissue, the 12 roll, on sale for $10.79, and the Dawn E-Squeeze 22 ounces on sale for $5.99. These three items are going to total $30.27. Use a $3 off Tide Pod digital coupon and also a 75 Dawn digital coupon. It's going to drop it down to $26.52. Pay that and get $10 back, making all three items $16.52 or $5.51 each. For the fourth option, pick up 3 of the Pantene on sale for 3 for $18 and 2 of the Head and Shoulder on sale for 2 for $12. These 5 items are going to total $30. We have a 3 off 3 Pantene digital coupon that we received today, and I have 2 of the $2 off Pantene CRT. I got one last week and I also received one today. And if you have a 4 off 16 Pantene CRT, add it to this deal. And for the Head and Shoulder, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we received today as well. And I received another $2 off Head and Shoulder CRT. With all these CRTs and the coupons, it's going to drop it down to $14. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 5 items $4 or 80 cents each. The fifth option I have for the spend 30 get $10 back is to pick up 2 of the herbal essence. They're on sale for 2 for $14, so pick up 2 whichever way you like. You can pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, or 2 shampoos or 2 conditioner. Then pick up 3 of the Pantenes. The one priced at 3 for $18. They're on sale for that. These 5 items are going to total $32. Then using the 3 off 3 Pantene digital coupon, and I have 2 of the $2 Pantene CRT. If you have a 4 off 16 Pantene CRT added to this deal. And for the herbal essence, we received a 4 off 2 digital coupon. And also, if you have a 4 off 14 herbal essence CRT added to this deal. With the CRTs and the coupons, it's going to drop it down to $13. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 5 products $3 or 60 cents each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye bye.